Okay guys, on January 16, 2023, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So now you can see that we have our plant of painted lady echeveria, or it is also called as the echeveria derenbergi. Echeveria derenbergi is its botanical name, and painted lady and copper rose are some of the common names. Okay, now we will try to propagate it from the leaves. Okay, now you need to pluck the leaf very carefully because of the fact that the part of the leaf which is attached with the stem contains stem cells. Okay, so these stem cells can help us in order to grow a new baby plant on the tip of the leaf. Okay, so now we are carefully taking our now here we are using our forceps as well. Okay, its leaves are very close. Okay, why it is so? Because when there is a lot of light, so the leaves used to be closed. Okay, now we will take the lower leaves. Okay, now you can see that this is the part. Okay, this is the part which needs to be intact. Okay, which needs to be properly plucked. Okay, you can also see one baby. Now this is our third leaf. Okay, now I have placed it out. Now one more leaf, we need to pluck it out. Yes, so okay, you can see that I have plucked it out. Okay, now one more, this one. Okay, so and these leaf propagation helps you to produce these plants in bulk quantity. Okay, because if you just wait for the stems, okay, then it can take quite a while. Okay, now one more leaves has been plucked. Okay, now you can see that we are plucking one by one all the leaves. Okay, so there's one more leaf. Okay, now it is also good. Okay, now, and as it is like we can say it is January, so maybe the baby production process can be a little bit slow. Okay, because of cold temperature, because in morning it is just 1 degree, 0 degrees Celsius or 2 degrees Celsius, and in the day it is like 12 and 13 degrees Celsius. So now I have plucked some leaves. Okay, and you can also see some baby plant. Okay, on the main plant. Okay, you can see some of the baby plants as well. Some are beneath the leaves. Yeah, one you can see which is touching the media. This is also a baby plant. Okay, now, okay, wait, this one. Now you can see one small baby plant as well. Okay, now you can see it properly. Okay, now one more leaf, I need to cut it out. Yes, now one more. One more. Okay, now there are some baby plants, so after a month or two we are able to pluck them. Okay, now you can see that one more leaf. This is our baby plant, and this one is also there. Okay, now we have to keep them in shade for certain days. Okay, on March 15, 2023. Like after about like 2 months has been passed. Okay, now you can see that these are our leaves, and now you can see that I am using macro lens, and this is one of the leaf. You can see after 2 months there isn't any sort of baby on it because it is not plucked properly up to my observation. Okay, so, and this one is the second one, second leaf, and again no babies at all. I think that it is not plucked properly because the part which is being attached with the stem must be with the leaf. Okay, now this one, the third leaf is having certain baby. Let me focus it out. Now you can see it. Okay, you can see the baby has been produced on the, so the macro lens will show you. Okay, so the baby and there are multiple babies. You can see that there are multiple babies on a single leaf. Okay, sometimes even 5 to 6 babies are there on a single plant. Okay, so now this one is not having any sort of progress. Why it is so? Because I think that the leaf is not plucked properly. As you can see, out of 4 leaves we just have baby on single plant. And now this one, this is our best result, and its baby is okay, now a little bit matured. Okay, it has taken the shape of the plant. Okay, now one more leaf result. Again no progress in this leaf. Okay, and it's all due to the wrong plucking. Okay, yeah, this one has been produced one baby, but it is very small now. Okay, it can take around about like 2.5 months to change it to a plant. Okay, so you can see that my macro lens is showing all the details of the baby plant. Now one more, and this one is also having one good baby plant. Okay, good baby plant. Okay, okay, now you can see it from all the angles, the baby plant on the tip of the leaf. Okay, now, okay, I'm just trying to focus the lens so that you can see it properly. Now the next leaf, and now this one is also not showing any sort of signs of progress. Okay, maybe after some days it can start some progress, but I'm not sure. Now this one is having one baby and roots as well. Okay, now you can see this one is having huge roots and also the baby plant, so its survival rate must be good. Okay, now you can see it from the side. Now one more thing, again no progress on this leaf. Maybe after some days they can show some sign of progress. Now this one has grown some baby, but the condition of leaf is not good. Okay, it is wilted, but still I think that it will survive. If the baby plant has grown roots and all these things, then they used to survive. And this one is not having any sort of progress like the first leaves. Okay, this one has not shown any progress at this time, still this time. So hopefully you got the concept how to grow the painted lady echeveria or echeveria derenbergi from the leaves. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.